Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Isn't it true that to get good quality sleep, not only your bed is important, but also your pajamas? Let me tell you why I've been loving these here. I really appreciate that this material is 95% bamboo viscose with 5% spandex. I'm loving this army green color, but there's other beautiful colors as well. These are super soft pajamas. They're very gentle on your skin. And I really love how well they're made. Even though they're very lightweight, they're not see-through at all. These were so easy to get on, and I really appreciated that they were big enough. Even though this is a size small, they were very spacious, very comfortable, and very modest as well. I also like that it has a drawstring that's very easy to adjust. These are super comfortable. I can literally be wearing them all day. Another thing that I like about them is that you can get a full refund if you are not satisfied. These would certainly make the perfect gift. So no more sacrificing beauty for comfort. You can get cute pajamas that are comfortable, but that's just my point of view.